I'm Aaron Hynum, and today we're going to show you how to save 3 to 4 hours per job taking readings with DryLINK. The first thing we're going to do is click into the job. We're going to go into this Paul Davis Floodhouse job and click on Drying Data, and then we'll click on the plus sign to begin taking our readings. We'll accept the current time and date, and you can see that the outside and unaffected areas are automatically populated. And now we're going to go into each drying chamber individually to collect the readings. So we did the bedroom, and now we're doing the garage, and lastly we do the kitchen, living room, stairs area. And now we are done collecting our readings from those chambers. Now in our moisture readings, we had one reading that wasn't set up with a DrySense, so we're going to enter that one manually and click OK, and then we'll be able to see we have green check marks on all of our chambers for the moisture readings as well, and there are all of our moisture readings. And now we're going to show you what it takes to take the readings manually. You can see that we have the team from Phoenix doing this, and the video was shot at 30 times speed. We had to do that so we didn't bore you, as it actually took over 40 minutes. It takes a lot of time to actually get a meter to acclimate properly. You need to make sure that your technicians are using the same meter throughout the job, as that's what they're supposed to be doing. And all of these problems are solved with DryLINK. You can save 3 to 4 hours per job, and then you multiply that times your labor rate, and that'll be your savings per job. That is likely to be $100 or more per job just by using DryLINK. And don't forget to check out the rest of our educational videos on drylink.usephoenix.com.